Anybody know? Anybody know what a subluxation is? Maybe? Maybe. No? Okay, so I'll do a little demonstration now. Now I'll draw. Yes, so you get to see my artistic skills. Oh, and one more. Okay, so now I'm going to get to the nitty-gritty of how the body works, okay? So I went off on a tangent, like, oh, what is health? What's stress? Oh my gosh, how do you measure this thing? So now we're going to tie it into basically what chiropractic does, what's it measuring, how does the body even work when it comes to dealing with stress, okay? All right, so can you guys read this? So the nervous system is your main circuit driver. It's running everything. So basically, it's the only way your heart beats, your lungs exchange air, and how your food digests. It's your brain that's running the whole entire show. How does it do that? It's way up here, and everything else is way over here down to our feet. So the only way is through the spinal cord. So that's called our central nervous system. So it's like the main circuit breaker running everything. So in your home, when the lights go out, instead of changing the light bulbs, that's the Indian dance, changing the light bulbs. We'll do Bollywood dancing after this. You guys need it. You're like, hurry up, lady. Let's have some fun. I'm feeding you guys wine. I don't want to be a buzzkill, okay? So like, we'll put the Bollywood music on after. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so that's the central nervous system. It's the main circuit driver. In your home, when the lights go out, say in two parts of the house, the kitchen and the family room, lights are out, everything else is working, what do? You could change the light bulbs, right? You could do that. Or, what would make more sense? Go to the circuit box. That's why. Everything's wired there. So why not just reset, right? So I use this analogy because we usually are just changing light bulbs. We're just like, oh, it hurts here. Let me just change a light bulb. Like, let me take a Tylenol. Let me do this. But really, you want to just go to the circuit breaker to see where the problem is. Instead, that's what we're missing. Really, is I know we've heard this word before. Holistic, right? It's everywhere now. Wellness, holistic. What the hell is that? What does it mean? It's a new word that's emerged. But what does it really mean? And what it means is it's analyzing and correcting the body as a whole. So knowing that everything's connected, right? And it's knowing that when I say that, it's not just the body's all connected, but so is the mind, and so is the spirit. Everything's intertwined. I don't mean to sound like a hippie when I say spirit, but that's essentially what we all are. The only difference between us and a dead body is the spirit that lies within us, right? So I won't get too esoteric in that, but that's exactly what it is. And that energy is flowing right through the brain and your spinal cord. That's where all the energy lies. All the hormones, everything for the body to be healthy and happy lies in the central nervous system. It's the main circuit breaker running everything. I think I hammered that to death, didn't I? So if the brain is sending messages through the body, through the spinal cord to the body, so here we are, and everything's flowing right, then, oh, actually, you know what? Let's have fun. Why don't you guys write this down with me so you're not just staring at me draw really, really poorly. Okay, so brain, spinal cord, the body. You guys don't have colors, so it can't be that fun for you, but it's going to get fun when I start using the red color. Just you wait. So, so if the connection here is all hunky-dory, then we say that the body is functioning properly. Or I'll just go ahead and put 100% function. Right? Everything's great. And that means that because the way the body works is the brain acts as the sensors, right? It's like, okay, what are we seeing out there in the environment that's dangerous? Is everything good? What are we hearing? What, right? It's the scan. So why don't we go ahead and draw that? Like, here's an eyeball. Oh, but eyelashes on it. Everyone's getting eyelash extensions these days. And then what we smell, what we taste, touch. That's a hand. Okay, don't judge. I know. It's crappy.
That's Homer Simpson.
What's that? Homer Simpson. Okay, but you get the gist, right? So our senses are scanning the environment. The brain says everything's great, tells the body what to do, and the body goes, got it, and sends a message back to the brain saying, we're doing great, everything's okay, and it just keeps feedback. And there's thousands and thousands. This is happening every single second of every day. It's fascinating to me how much it can actually take in. So when that's happening, there's no interruptions. The body's working at what we call ease. It's all good in the hood, okay? And therefore, you are healthy and happy. Let's put a big happy face on that one. All right?